Yeah, it's but this looks decent. Let's check what is inside this one. Wow, it looks so good. So here is my whey protein. Yes, I have my whey protein. Yes, this is my whey protein. Along with my whey protein, I have got a bill. And that is, if you take a look at the bill, it's all by Amazon. Shipping address to Vasant. Door number. Okay. And the price is. See, the price is 3629, 3,629 rupees. Okay. So the product looks like this. Take a look at the product. I think it's looking almost genuine, because the quality of the finishing is very good, and I think I'm happy with the product, because I'm thinking it's really genuine, because I have seen a lot of videos regarding the originality of the product, so I'm very sure that it is definitely a original product. Okay, see, the importer are bright commodities. And looking in the back, yes, product is very fresh. It is manufactured in 2018. The expiry date is 21. Okay, let's open the seal. I have this. It's very nicely packed. Oh, this is so tight. Yes, product is openable. Wow, look at that. This is the symbol of originality. Yes, if you look at this, there are 5 dots, and here also, guys, you can see 5 dots. See, 1 2 3